very much. I would also like to thank the organizers of this conference for giving me an opportunity to come and talk to you, and especially John for the help he has actually given me in the past few months. Arranging to come here, which wasn't easy, and I really thank you very much. And so far, I think the conference is wonderful. And okay, so I will be speaking, talking about the Sutherland Central Astronomy Advantage Area protection regulations. So basically, we are putting together regulations to try and protect astronomy facilities in South Africa against anything that has a negative impact on astronomy, both optical and radio. But I'll be covering mostly the optical. Basically, skies or dark skies are our most precious resource as South African Astronomical Observatory. Okay, so I'm from SAAO, South African Astronomical Observatory, and this is okay. That's one of the most iconic telescopes in the Southern Africa, called SAAO, or Southern African Large Telescope. And I will start by first looking at this. So these are some of the regulations that we have just gone through now. This is based on what is called Astronomy Geographic Advantage Act of 2007. So basically, the government of South Africa realized that astronomy was one of the important programs where we have an advantage of as far as the location in the southern hemisphere is concerned, that being sort of between Australia and Chile, and basically that's more or less also where astronomy can be done. So these are some of the regulations, and they usually are put in this government cassette and stuff like that. And this is the last one that we did this year in May. But before I actually go on and talk about this, I thought I should actually talk about South African Astronomical Observatory just briefly, so that just give you an overview of who we are. So this is the South African Astronomical Observatory in Cape Town, buildings, and basically we are the premier optical observatory on the African continent. And it was actually founded in 1820, so next year we'll be celebrating 200 years of professional astronomy in South Africa. It was founded as what was called Royal Observatory, and it became South African Astronomical Observatory in 1971 with the amalgamation of the Royal Observatory in Cape Town and the Republic Observatory in Johannesburg. And then the telescopes were moved from Cape Town and Johannesburg to our current location in the Karoo. And that happened in 1972. This were the first 4 telescopes that were erected there in 1972 or in the early 70s. So these buildings here are still used as offices for astronomers. These are the original buildings from 1820. And it's also a national heritage site as well, the Cape Town site. Anyway, I think I probably have to. So our headquarters are in Cape Town, and our observing facilities are in Sutherland since 1972. We are a research facility of the National Research Foundation. We are funded by the Department of Science and Technology. It's now called Department of Science and Innovation. So these are the telescopes in Sutherland. So basically, yeah, almost everything you see there is just formerly a telescope except a very few things. And down here, that's where our people live. And there's a hostel as well here. There's transport that's coming from the headquarters every week for people who come and work here. So if you take a closer look, so that's the telescopes we have. We have currently 21 telescopes from all different countries. Yeah, as I said, the biggest one now is the Southern African Large Telescope, which basically is the largest telescope in the Southern Hemisphere. Well, they also call it an African giant eye. It's so sensitive that actually can see a candle at the distance of the moon. And we have all sorts of telescopes belonging to all different countries. So there are those that belong to South Africa and those that belong to other countries. For example, we have something really small called kilodegree, extremely little telescope. So basically, it can actually see the whole Magellanic Clouds so it's 25 degree by 25 degree in one image. It's run by University of Vanderbilt in the United States. And there are lots of other things. And for example, this thing here, it's not a telescope, but it acts like a telescope. It's actually following one star and looking for planets around that star. Or trying to take planets around that star. So it's just facing south, and then when this star passes there, then it actually takes some scans of that. And these are all sky monitors that I use to actually sort of monitor the night sky. 5 minutes. Okay, that's great. Okay, yeah. So there are a lot of telescopes here. There are those that belong to South Africa and those that belong to our international partners. These ones here, they all belong to South Africa. Okay, so this is actually an international partnership from many countries. South Africa, New Zealand used to be part of that, but I don't know, I think they probably no longer continuing. And then we have the 1 meter and 1.9 and another 1 meter telescope that has just been added. But we do all sorts of sciences, basically like imaging, medium and high resolution spectroscopy, high speed modes of those imaging. We do multi-object spectroscopy, Fabry-Paro imaging and spectroscopic polarimetry, wide field imaging, and all sorts of things with our telescopes. And then these are other facilities. For example, that's IRSF. It's a Japanese telescope that we are in collaboration with the University of Osaka in Japan, doing infrared survey. And this one here, it's a collaboration between SAAO and some Dutch institutions. So basically, this telescope here is going to be used for, well, it's actually there already, but it's not yet enslaved to MeerKAT. MeerKAT is a pathfinder for SCAAA South Africa. And it will actually be doing simultaneous infrared, simultaneous radio and optical with MeerKAT. And it's basically meant for transient observations. And there are lots of other things like things like this from Poland, which is actually meant for looking at exoplanets around binary stars. And this actually is a South African Space Agency and the German Space Agency. They are doing tracking of space debris. Okay, and there are new telescopes that are coming. One is Atlas and one is Prime. Also, Prime is with Japan on near-infrared astronomy. Okay, so as you can see, that there are lots of people who want to come to South Africa and do this. And the main thing for us is dark skies and relatively clear nights. And in the whole of Africa, the best sites for optical astronomy or big telescopes are just the two sites in Namibia and the sites in South Africa, which cover both for optical and radio for us. That's where SCAAA will be around there as well, and we're also around there as optical astronomy. And while in around Australasia, then Australia also has a few sites, and Chile, North America, Canary Islands, and many other places. As far as darkness is concerned, you probably saw already that the other new maps. We are somewhere there, and that's Johannesburg, that's Port Elizabeth, and that's that's Devon, and that's Cape Town. So we're just in the middle of darkness there. And I actually saw that we are still, even in the new maps, that we are still in darkness. So we are basically around here, and it's really still that side. This is where image is taken. So the nearest town is somewhere here, and it doesn't really affect us that much. And Cape Town and a nearby town called Worcester, 170 kilometers away, and Cape Town is about 250 kilometers away. This light is probably coming from Cape Town. So it's extremely dark. It's so dark that sometimes you can't see our toes. So these are the measurements we got with this instrument, and we have B equals to 22.6 millimeters night sky brightness in B, and B equals to 1.9. This is between September 2016 and mid 2019. Anyway, I've talked too much about this and into all my time. So the Astronomy Geographic Advantage Act, this was actually done in 2007. It covers both as radio and optical. Basically what it does, it empowers the Minister of Science and Technology to regulate or declare certain areas as strategic astronomy sites. And this can be actually regulated, and establish lots of other things. But the important thing is that there are three things. There's a core area, and the central area, and the coordinated area. And all these protected areas have got sort of a level of protection. This is the most protected one. For us, it's the 3-kilometer radius around the observatory, and this one is 75-kilometer radius in the Northern Cape province. I won't have time to actually discuss why is that, but so some of the activities that are actually regulated include mining, outdoor lighting, power generation, or any thing that has impact to astronomy and related endeavors. Well, that's what it says. So these are some of the things that have already been done, and then we just finalized this one recently. So, we have these regulations, and people have talked about light pollution is one of those things that is still a problem for astronomy. But I think things like air pollution as well is actually a very serious issue. So we ended up actually having to totally prohibit mining within 75 kilometers of our observatory. So this is the area. There probably would be lots of questions why we only protect this, but so this is the Northern Cape, and that's the Western Cape. This is the area that has been declared as an astronomy advantage area. So the regulations are much more powerful in there than outside. Okay. All right. So that's more like it, but we have challenges. Some of the challenges that I've been facing actually are related to having to deal with things that are basically that were anticipated. For example, as far as wind farm developers are concerned in the Karoo or around Sutherland, we were thinking more about light pollution and stuff like that, and we went and talked to Civil Aviation Authority to actually relax some of the regulations so that the lights from these wind turbines can actually be switched off or be switched on by what they call, pilot activated lighting, and only when the flies actually come in. But there came things like this, really actually stupid things like we want to work at night, and and they really insist that they want to work at night and create daytime at night, which we are totally refusing. They also have things like mining, that they want to apply for a license for mining, basically for things called borrow pits. They mine quarry and stuff like that. But this we didn't think about it at all, because now mining is actually prohibited completely. Then what do we do with these guys? But yeah, so there are some of the issues. And what about if they actually were to ignore all these regulations? We can take them to court. We can fine them. But then if they repeat offenders, the regulations don't say much about that. Basically, my wish has always been that we have voluntary compliance, and we have been working very hard the past few years, working with all stakeholders and trying to make sure that people actually comply, or companies comply voluntarily without having to take each other to court and stuff like that. But that doesn't look like it's going to happen. Yeah, I think that's the end of my talk, and thank you very much.